Hey guys, my name is Cyriljeet, and in this video I'm going to show you Pursueapp, an all new application from Technic from us that will help you unleash a storm of buyers for your business or agency with cold email marketing. Now, if you have heard about cold email marketing, it's a technique that businesses have been using since years, well, actually decades, to tell their customers, their prospective customers, their leads about their businesses, their offers, introduce themselves to their prospective customers and get to know them so that they can turn those cold leads into customers. Now, the best thing about cold email marketing is it doesn't involve opt-ins, it doesn't involve the lead having to sign up to a page. It's absolutely an outreach based system that is 100% legit and correct if you do it in the correct manner. And it is working beautifully for every kind of business out there. So there are large corporations, there are small businesses, small service providers, and all of them are using cold email marketing with crazy effectiveness to take their businesses forward. The secret to doing cold email marketing, reaching out to customers you don't know and still not being a spammer, is creating perfectly targeted campaigns. Each email that you send out has to look as if it's written, custom written for the lead that you're sending out to. It has to address the lead personally, and everything should be like it's personally designed for that particular lead. The best thing is, if you use cold email marketing, you can get the lead from absolutely any source you want. You can get it from Facebook groups, you can get it from websites, from LinkedIn groups, from LinkedIn profiles. You can just pick up leads from absolutely any source and feed them into your cold email marketing campaign. That is why cold email marketing is very effective if done correctly. Now, cold email marketing is not something that you do for commodities, so you can't really sell a t-shirt using cold emails. But if you got any of these businesses, like you've got an agency, a real estate brokerage firm, if you're a designer, a financial or insurance marketer, a commission agent, an SEO service provider, or any kind of service provider, or a coach or a trainer, a product creator, a craftsman, architect, solution provider, an agent of some sort, content writer, or a website maker, then cold email marketing can be crazy good for you. And it works for just any kind of service business, in any kind of business there where the seller, the vendor, has to reach out to the customer and talk to them to get them on board. So this actually covers nearly every kind of business out there, especially if it's an agency or you're providing services to another business, or you've got a B2B setup. Over all these years, cold email marketing has been used by businesses of all sizes and is one of the most valid marketing strategies out there. And top marketers have used it to get amazing clients, to set up amazing businesses. And I'm going to just draw your attention to some, like Lauren Lopock, who 14 times multiplied her freelancing business with cold email marketing, or Alex Berman, who built a 400K agency just based on cold email marketing. So there are lots of people like that. Top marketers use cold email marketing all the time. Top brands use it every day. So if cold email marketing is not a part of your business strategy, it should be included right now. You should start doing it. And the best way to do this is using Pursueapp, which is a specialized software to help you do cold email marketing correctly. And this application gives you the top of the line features in any cold email marketing app, and it's less than 1/10 the cost of the competition. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go in and take a look at Pursueapp. I've logged into Pursueapp, and this is the dashboard. You can see in a bird's eye view of how your campaigns are doing, how's your marketing going right now in this place. So you can see things like how many leads you have, how many leads are verified, because Pursueapp is the only cold email marketing software that can actually verify your leads. Here's the thing: when you're bringing in leads from the web, you're copying leads from websites or yellow pages or directories and putting them inside the app, you have to make sure that these leads are 100% accurate, that they're correct. Because if you are mailing to incorrect leads, to bad leads, then you're going to be marked a spammer and your mail account is going to be closed very fast. Now, Pursueapp has a system in which it will verify every single email ID that you put in, make sure it's authentic, and only mail to the authentic and correct leads. Then it'll also give you things like how many mails have been sent, how many mails have been written, how many mails were opened, the total number of visits, and the conversions. And you can see all of this information visually. And you can also see the campaigns that you're running and how effective the campaigns are, all in one place in the dashboard. Then we've got the lists, and everybody is familiar with this. This is the place where you bring in your leads. So you can just create a list, and then you can either import the lists using a CSV file, or you can even add your leads manually. Just enter the name and the phone number and add the leads manually. You can see all the leads over here along with the status. Is this lead valid? Is it invalid? What kind of interaction this lead has done with you? All of this information is available on per lead basis inside of Pursueapp in the list section, and you can create a separate list for each topic, each product you have, anything you want. Then you've got email verification, and this is something that you really need, but most software don't have it. It's the system in which any lead that you put in is first going to be verified, and Pursueapp is only going to mail verified leads. Finally, you can actually set up campaigns for your cold emails. That's where the magic sauce is. You can create a campaign to send out mail sequences to your prospectives, and this is done in a wonderful manner inside of Pursueapp. Here you've got this beautiful campaign designer which can let you decide exactly how you want the emails to flow. For example, you can see here that this is the first mail that will be sent, and if you click on it, you will see these icons which will let you do things like see who has the mail been sent to, what's the interaction. You can edit the mail, you can edit the mail content, you can stylize it. We've got all sorts of formatting options. We've got snippets, which are ready-made text options that you can put in. You can even select templates because Pursueapp supports colored templates or designs, absolutely any template you want. And we also have split testing. So if you've got multiple emails for a campaign for a particular level, you can do that, and you will know exactly which email is doing better so that you can decide and send the email that is performing better. So all of this is part of the campaign designer. Every level of the email has some options, like there are actions. Was the mail opened? Was the link visited? Did the conversion happen? Or if the mail wasn't opened, and based on these actions you can select what to do next. So for example, here, if the mail was opened, then you can send out a second email if no further action was taken. You can create sequences and chains of these emails. For example, the first email, if the mail wasn't opened, you can send out this unopened sequence. If that mail was not opened, you can send out another sequence. If the link was visited, you can send the person to somebody else. You can cross chain them together. You can link one email to another email, and from any email you can send people to any email. So basically you can create a workflow of emails based on what your prospect is interacting, what your prospect is doing with your emails. If somebody is warm, if somebody is interacting, you can send them an invitation to convert. If somebody is not reacting at all, you can send them reminders like, hey, I sent you a mail some time ago, but you haven't seen it yet, or anything that you want to say. You can make very custom, very tailor-made email sequences that make the customer feel, that make the prospect feel that they are custom written just for them. Pursueapp supports multiple mailing systems. You can add your Gmail accounts, you can add Office 365 accounts, you can add G Suite accounts, or you can add your custom SMTPs too. And in each campaign, you can decide which accounts to use. You can even use multiple accounts in one campaign if you want, so that each mail will go up from a different place, and you will not be branded as a spam. Pursueapp also has support for spin text, and you can use spin text in your email titles or even in the content. So each email that goes out is going to be 100% unique. Each email is going to be 100% individual, which will make sure that your email is not marked as spam by Gmail or any other service provider. Pursueapp also supports themes. So if you want a custom email format with your own header, your own footer, you can create it and actually modify your own theme inside of Pursueapp itself. It also has snippets which are pre-made content. So you can make a snippet very easily. And if you want to place the snippet inside of an email, just put the snippet using the shortcode and your emails will have that snippet inside. So you will not have to repeat content in many places, and anytime you want to make a change to several emails, you can do it inside the snippet, and that content will be changed in all those emails. Next, you also have forms. If you're going to grab leads from a web page or a landing page, you can create forms. And Pursueapp also has support for APIs and trackers. We have full support for Zapier, and it's also got its own custom API conversion tracking too. so that you can track your conversions and also bring your leads from anywhere, be it any CRM or even your custom websites. With Pursueapp, it just works. So now that you've seen Pursueapp in action, I just want to remind you that Pursueapp is on a special sale right now and you can grab it for a crazy price. The competition right now is charging at least $50 a month, not for $50 a month to give you the same features as Pursueapp, and some of them are even charging $100 a month to give you the same features as Pursueapp. But you can get Pursueapp right now in this sale for 90% less. So don't miss this opportunity. Cold email is something that you need to do. It's not something that you can skip if you want to get success. And Pursueapp is just going to make it easier. You'll be able to create amazing campaigns without having to worry about complicated manual work. Also, Pursueapp is covered by a 100% money back guarantee. So if you don't like Pursueapp, if there is something that you don't like about it, if it doesn't work well for you, if it doesn't get you the results that you just imagined about, then you can tell us within 30 days to get your money back. So don't waste any more time. You've seen it, you've seen how it works, you've seen and understood the opportunity of cold email marketing. Make it real for yourself. Scroll down, click on that buy button, and make Pursueapp yours.